Jotform Review Usage Experience. In today's video, we're reviewing Jotform, a popular online form builder that allows businesses and individuals to create custom forms quickly and easily. If you're interested, I've left a link to Jotform in the description so you can dive deeper into its features and decide if it's the right tool for your needs. Jotform is primarily designed for anyone who needs to collect information online, whether you're a small business owner, educator, marketer, or nonprofit. The platform offers a drag-and-drop form builder that simplifies the process of creating surveys, registration forms, order forms, feedback forms, and more, with no technical skills required. You can choose from over 10,000 customizable templates to get started or build a form from scratch in just a few minutes. One of the standout features of Jotform is its integration capabilities. It integrates seamlessly with a variety of third-party apps like Google Sheets, PayPal, Dropbox, MailChimp, and many more. This makes it incredibly easy to automatically send form data to other apps and streamline your workflows. The ability to embed forms into your website, blog, or even share them via email or social media adds to its versatility. Jotform also provides advanced features, like conditional logic, which allows you to create forms that change dynamically based on user inputs, and payment integrations for accepting payments directly through your forms. This is a great advantage for businesses that need to collect payments for services or products, all without using complex systems. If you're concerned about security, Jotform offers SSL encryption and HIPAA compliance for users in healthcare. Additionally, the platform's analytics and reporting tools help you analyze form responses to make data-driven decisions. In conclusion, Jotform is an excellent tool for anyone looking to create customized, efficient forms and automate data collection processes. With its ease of use, powerful features, and integrations, it's a top choice for businesses of all sizes. Be sure to check the link in the description for more information.